Hello guys, welcome to our teaching channel. I'm Seyman. I'll be with you for some time to introduce new tattoo kits. Here we have another package, so we can just watch what we got in the package. So I'll just say its names, not so much, because I'll just want to focus how to set up the kit. Okay, so we have here cord cable here. And we have clip cord to install it tattoo machine. Actually, here is our two tattoo machines. I want to open it this box. Firstly, I need to put other things. Here we have stainless steel tips for the coil machines, so we can use it. Here several pieces. And here we have foot pedal. So in order to start the machine, we have in cups. I think it's a small size. It has a bigger size and medium size. And what we have here, we have some brushes to clean the tips, and rubber band, and here other keys. We got here a lot. And another thing is vitamin ointment. Here will be needed it, and a pair of gloves will be needed it while we are setting it up. Okay, this thing will be needed to put in cups, so it will be more safe. So you will be needed it most. And I think here we have I think it's needles. So let me open this up to show you that it's a needle. Yeah, we got the needles here. Okay, here you can see its model name. You can distinguish with that, and it's several types of needles for the shader coil machine and liner coil machines. Okay, let's just put it aside here for a while. Oh, here is a black rubber ring to attach the spring on the armature bar, and we have here a lot of nibbles for the armature bar to connect the needle on it. And we got here two grips. Both of them is black. Actually, it could be like silver and green, or red or black, different colors. So we got two black grips. Okay, we have dozens of inks. Yeah, it's practice inks. Here we have this one. Okay, this is a power supply. You can actually see this. It's a power supply. It's comfortable, portable, and you can just take it with you. It's small, so you can use it with cords. Okay, we got here practice skin. Yeah, actually it's practice skin. You can use it before doing a real tattoo on the real skin. Okay, we have an instruction book. I would recommend if you are a beginner to use coil tattoo machines. You will need to read this carefully, because you could get a lot of information here as you wish. Nothing left here. Okay, we have this type of things. Yeah, you can easily see what things I got. Last thing that I want to say about it's our coil machines. There's two type of coil machines. Let's see what kind of coil machines are they. Okay, we got shader coil machine here. Actually, let me take it out from the package. Okay, there we go. It's kind of pretty small, smooth, and kind of, you feel better if you use it. Trust me. And you can adjust your contacts here. It's a shader machine. Where I know it. Its armature bar is more longer than the coil. Yeah. Okay. What we got next is the liner. liner for tattoo machines. Okay, let me open it. Take the package over there. Okay, here we go. One is liner, one is shader. You can see it's kind of more smooth, not so heavy to carry. It's easy. Okay, we got everything we have, so let's just set it up. How to set it up? Okay, let's see it. So guys, I've just finished collecting my necessary stuff to install the coil machine, actually liner coil machine. Here what we need, actually, as you see, I put my gloves on and I took one grip, for one machine will be one grip, and the tube of it, it will be actually inside of the grip. And here we have a special stainless steel tip for the coil machine, and we have all the keys, and we have needles for the liner machine, and we have one rubber band. One is enough, you can just bend it. Okay, so let's start to set it up. So, and by the way, I've just put the nipples on the armature bar, so you won't be needed to worry about that anymore. It's easy to put it just inside, or maybe you can just put it later as you wish. Okay, here we are going to install the grip, and we'll just gather this, and you just directly put inside. As you see, you can just put it in the middle here. As you can see, you can just put like this. You can just adjust it as you want. Okay, don't push inside so hard because you can damage the tube. Okay, this side is already ready, so we are going to insert the tip into the grip. Okay, it won't take so much time. You can adjust this kind of stuff according to the length of the needle. I've already opened one needle here before taking a video, because it may take so much time, but you should do it when you are going to tattoo. So as you see, I've already bent this a little bit and bent it down in order to make it insert it easily. Okay, here we go. If you see that this needle side should be down, facing down when you are tattooing like this, it should be facing down against you, so you can just tattoo it easily. So let's insert this inside. Just put the grip barrel vertically, and slowly just put it half of them, and you can just do it like this. That's easy, as you see. There's no any problems. Make sure that needle point should be so clean, and so it should obey the sanitary things. You should just be focused on here. This one is ready. We just need to open this hole a little bit, because we are going to put this tube inside this hole. It won't be so hard after inserting the needle, so you should just do that. It will be easy then. You just insert a little bit and make sure that your needle is coming here. So as you see here, this needle backside is just came to the nipple, so you can just put it in here. Okay, we have just done this. We just put the needle on the nipple, so it's easy. Make sure just this tip hole should be upside while you are making a tattoo, and like this. Can you see? So we are going to adjust the needle point, which can be penetrated on the skin, into the skin. So it should be just the same edge of the tip here. There we go. Yeah, this is almost ready. So we can just tighten it easily. Don't use any tool, just your hand is okay. Make sure that it's not moving, shaking, any other things. This one is ready. Needles has already plugged on the nipple, and the tip is okay. Grip is okay, not moving so much. Okay, so we're going to put the rubber band on this. You can just make 1 lap or two lap, not more than 3 laps. It could be tighten and make pressure on the needle, so it won't be necessary more than 3 laps. Okay, this one is okay. Why we need this rubber band? Because it could get out of the nipple, the needle would get out of the nipple, or maybe it can bubble like that. It can shake while this spring making a movement on the against the armature bar. So this is pretty good. You can see needle length here out of the tip. You can adjust as you want according to the skin side. Okay, this is ready. So we're gonna plug in into the power supply. I already did the finish the power supply because it could take some time and it's easy, not necessary to show it. I think I already did one, and you can adjust its voltage according to the machine preference. Maybe high, maybe low, depends on you. Yeah, I think it's ready. Make sure as well this contact should touch the spring, otherwise you cannot. This machine cannot work. Actually, this one is ready to use. I hope this should work out. Yeah, there we go. There we go. You can see needle here, and it's kind of working. I'm really glad. Yeah, sound is easy. Sound is good. You can see this is working so good. Okay, actually, we're going to take it off. If you guys like this video, you could subscribe on our teaching channel, and you can see more technicals how to install the parts of the kit together, and we can make a lot of other types of videos, and you can just comment down below what kind of videos you want to see, and if you have any questions you can contact us. And see you guys later. Thumbs up. Thank you very much. Have a good day. Bye bye.